Good morning, students. Today we will start with another exercise, that is exercise 10.3. This exercise is based on factorizing using algebraic identities. Okay, whatever algebraic identities we have learned till now, we will be using that algebraic identities to factorize these following expressions. Okay, let us do the first part of the first question. X square minus 12x plus 36. So let's start solving the question. So here you can find it is a whole square minus 2ab, 2 into a, that is x, and what is b, that is 6 square. Okay, 2ab plus 6 square. So using a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square, we get x minus 6 whole square, which is factorized as x minus 6 into x minus 6. Now let us see the next question. 36p square minus 60pq plus 25q square. Now children, in these type of questions, what you have to see, you have to first see the squares. Okay, with that they are squares of which number. Like first of all you will write down 6p whole square, here 5q whole square. Okay, now you are knowing that it is a square and b square, so you will just put this in the form of 2ab. So 2, which is minus, we will put here minus 2 into a is what, 6p, and what is b, that is 5q. So 2 into 6p into 5q. Now when you will solve, you will get it as 60pq. You have to check that also, that whether it is coming or not. Okay, so here we are using the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. So it is equal to 6p minus 5q into 6p minus 5q. Okay, now I am doing the fifth part for you. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2x. Again I told you always take the square parts first. So x whole square plus 1 by x whole square. Now what is remaining? 2. Just put here 2ab plus 2 into a is x and b is 1 by x. Now x will get cancelled, so you will get here as 2. Okay, so here we are using the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square, that is a plus b into a plus b, that is x plus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x. Now let us do question number 2. I will be doing one part for each question. The next one part you will do on your own. So first question number 2, I am doing the second part for you, that is 4x square minus 169y square. So let us solve it. The way I will solve here, you will solve the same way here also. Okay, so 4x square minus 169y square can also be written as 2x whole square minus 13y whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. Now what is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So in place of a you will write down 2x, in place of b you will write down 13y. So 2x plus 13y into 2x minus 13y. Now third one, I am again doing the second part for you. 9 by 16 minus 25a square b square. So let us see again. 3 by 4 whole square minus 5ab whole square. This can be written as a square minus b square, that is a minus b into a plus b. So 3 by 4 minus 5ab into 3 by 4 plus 5ab. In the same way you will do the first part using the identity a square minus b square. Now let us see the fourth question. 9 into x plus y whole square minus x square. Now here you see it is in the form of a square minus b square, so you will just directly use the formula a plus b into a minus b and solve it. I am solving the first part for you. 9 into x plus y whole square minus x square. So let us solve it. So in this case what we will, it is there 9x plus y whole square minus a square. Again I will put this in the form of a square minus b square. Now see here, 9 can be written as 3 into x plus y whole square minus x square. So it is again in the form of a square minus b square. So it is equal to a plus b into a minus b. What is a here? A is 3 into x plus y plus x. What is again here? 3 into x plus y minus x. We will just expand it and solve it. 3x plus 3y plus x, 3x plus 3y minus x. So 3x plus x is 4x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y. Question number 5, children, it is very easy. You try to do on your own. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Now let us do question number 6. I am doing the first part for you. Second part you will do on your own. So let us do that. It is x cube minus 25x. So let us see how to solve this. So x, okay, I will take x common. Okay, so what is the remaining part? X square minus 25. Again it is in the form of a square minus b square. So x square can be written as x whole square, minus 25 can be written as 5 whole square, isn't it? So x into x plus 5 into x minus 5. Okay, so this is the question. So you try to complete this whole the question number 1 to 6 in your maths copy. Thank you.